Let's try this problem. Shikamaru remembered his pace factor is 2.459 meter over pace, and in a recent patrol, he counted 122 paces along a hidden path. Mission task is find the distance Shikamaru traveled. To get the distance, I simply use this trick. TTFP. D stands for distance, PF stands for pace factor, P stands for paces. Now, may given tayo ng PF and P. PF multiplied by P, substitute 2.459 multiplied by 122 is cancel. We have 2.459 times 122 is equals to 300 meters.